In this video, we will see examples on quotient rule. For quotient rule again, the condition is that u and v are the functions of the same variable x. Then the derivative of u upon v is given by v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v, and this whole divided by v square. Let us take example where we need to find derivative of 3x square plus 5 upon x cube plus 4. Here comparing with this formula, we get 3x square plus 5 as u and x cube plus 4 as v. So applying the formula here, x cube plus 4, which is v, into derivative of 3x square plus 5, that is u, minus u, that is 3x square plus 5, into derivative of v, that is x cube plus 4, whole divided by x cube plus 4 the whole square, which is v square. Now simplifying further, we get here as x cube plus 4 as it is into derivative of 3x square plus 5 is 6x, and minus 3x square plus 5 into derivative of x cube plus 4 is 3x square. Now simplifying further, that is multiplying 6x to x cube plus 4. So it is 6x to the power 4 plus 6 4s are 24x minus this 3x square multiplied to 3x square plus 5. So 3 into 3 9, x square into x square x to the power 4 plus 5 into 3 15 and into x square. This whole divided by x cube plus 4 whole square. Simplifying this, we get the resultant as minus 3x to the power 4, that is obtained from this 6 and minus 9, plus 15x square as it is, and plus 24x as it is, and this whole divided by x cube plus 4 whole square. So this is the required result. The next example is taking derivative of e to the power x upon 1 plus e to the power x. Again comparing with the formula on the right hand side, we get here u as e to the power x and v as 1 plus e to the power x. So v, that is 1 plus e to the power x, into derivative of u, that is e to the power x, minus u, that is e to the power x, into derivative of v, that is 1 plus e to the power x, divided by v square. So v is 1 plus e to the power x, so 1 plus e to the power x whole square. Simplifying this further, we get it as 1 plus e to the power x into derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x itself, minus e to the power x into derivative of 1 plus e to the power x is e to the power x, whole divided by 1 plus e to the power x whole square. Simplifying this further, it comes out to be e to the power x plus e to the power 2x minus e to the power 2x and whole divided by 1 plus e to the power x whole square. So simplifying, the result comes out to be e to the power x upon 1 plus e to the power x whole square. Here in this example, comparing with the formula on the right hand side again, u, that is numerator, is 2 to the power x, v, that is denominator, is x square plus 3, and by the formula this v as it is x square plus 3 into derivative of 2 to the power x minus u, that is 2 to the power x, minus derivative of v, that is x square plus 3, divided by x square plus 3 the whole square. Solving further, x square plus 3 as it is. Derivative of 2 to the power x, that is a to the power x, is a to the power x log a. Remember this formula. Minus this 2 to the power x as it is into derivative of x square plus 3 is 2 into x. This whole divided by x square plus 3 the whole square. Then this is equal to, taking 2 to the power x common, we can get in first term as x square plus 3 into log 2 minus in the second term 2x is left, and this is whole divided by x square plus 3 the whole square. In this example, the numerator is x cube, that is u, and denominator is log x, that is v. So v, that is log x, into derivative of u, x cube, minus u, that is x cube, into derivative of v, that is log x, upon v square, that is log x whole square. Simplifying this further, we get it as log x as it is, into derivative of x cube is 3x square, minus x cube as it is, into derivative of log x is 1 by x, and this whole divided by log x whole square. So this is simply 3x square log x, and minus the second term x cube upon x is again x square divided by log x whole square. This can be kept as it is or can be further simplified as taking x square common, 3 log x minus 1, and this whole divided by log x whole square. In this example again, numerator is 1 minus x square, that is u, denominator is root x v. So v, that is root x, into derivative of u, that is 1 minus x square, minus u, that is 1 minus x square, into derivative of v, root x, upon v square, that is root x whole square. Simplifying further, it is root x into derivative of 1 minus x square is 2x, minus 1 minus x square as it is, into derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, and this whole divided by x, root x whole square is x. Simplifying this further, this is minus 2x root x, and multiplying this 1 to this 1 by 2 root x, it gives you minus 1 by 2 root x, and multiplying minus into minus plus x square into 1 upon 2 root x. So x square becomes x root x for dividing by root x, and this whole upon x. So simplifying further, taking this 2 root x in the denominator. So this x as it is into 2 root x here. So in the numerator, in the first term here we don't have 2 root x in the denominator, so we need to multiply there by 2 root x, and 2 into 2 4, so it takes value minus 4, and x root x into root x gives us x square. Then in the second term here, it is 1 upon 2 root x, so it remains as minus 1, and in the third term here, in the denominator along with 2 there is no root x, so we need to multiply and divide this term by root x, and therefore it becomes plus x square. Simplifying further, we get it as minus 3x square minus 1, and whole divided by 2x root x, and this is the desired result. One more example containing trigonometric term in numerator can be denoted by u, that is sin x is u. And now here we can have v as 2 into x to the power 3 by 2, or we can keep this 2 outside and simply x to the power 3 by 2 can be v. But I have considered the whole term as v for simplicity of calculations. So here v is 2 into x to the power 3 by 2. So v into derivative of sin x, that is u, minus u, that is sin x, into derivative of 2 into x to the power 3 by 2, that is v, upon 2x to the power 3 by 2 whole square, that is v square. Solving further, 2x to the power 3 by 2 as it is, derivative of sin x is cos x, minus sin x into derivative of 2 x to the power 3 by 2 is 3 by 2 x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 2, and this whole divided by 2 square, that is 4 x to the power 3 by 2, that is x cube. This is equal to the first term remaining as it is, 2x to the power 3 by 2 cos x, and minus this 2 gets cancelled over here. So what is left is 3x to the power 1 by 2 into sin x, and this whole divided by 4x cube, and this is the desired result. So that's all with the examples of quotient rule.